In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change invoice number in Xero. If you've recently moved to Xero, are standardizing your documents, or you need to align numbering for compliance, updating your invoice prefix and next number takes just a moment and keeps your records tidy. Begin on the Xero dashboard in a web browser. At the very top of the screen, open the menu by clicking your organization name. This reveals options related to your account and organization. From that menu, choose Settings. That's where all the key preferences live for your invoices and other documents. Inside Settings, select Invoice Settings. This area controls how your sales documents look and behave. On the Invoice Settings page, open the section called Default Settings. You'll see the numbering controls we're after. Locate the field labeled Invoice Prefix. The prefix is an optional set of letters or numbers that appears before the invoice number on every new invoice. For example, you might use INV to keep things simple, or a project or year tag like 2026. Keep it short, consistent, and easy to read. Hyphens and letters are fine, but avoid characters your customers' systems might not accept. Changing the prefix here won't alter any existing invoices. It only affects new ones you create after saving. Next, adjust the field called Next Number. This tells Xero which number to assign to the very next invoice you raise. Xero will automatically increase it by 1 each time you create an invoice. Choose a number that is higher than your highest existing invoice to prevent duplicates or gaps. If your organization follows consecutive numbering rules, make sure the value continues your sequence without skipping. When your prefix and next number look right, click Save. That's it. Your default invoice numbering is updated. From now on, new invoices will use the prefix you entered followed by the next sequential number, so you don't have to type it manually each time. A few quick tips as you wrap up. This change is organization-wide, so let your team know you've updated the format. If you manage multiple branding themes, this numbering still drives the default sequence for new invoices. Existing invoices keep their original numbers, so your historical records remain unchanged. If you also use quotes or credit notes, consider aligning their prefixes for clarity. And remember, you can return to these settings anytime to tweak the format as your business evolves. You've just learned how to change the invoice number in Xero quickly and safely. Thanks for watching and happy invoicing.